Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Only a quick update, don't have too much time. As promised, I have simplified the chart. I think it looks much cleaner, much better now. I've taken a few of the subwaves out. We don't need them now, but yeah, the way we can count this, and it takes a couple of 1-2 setups out. That was also needed due to the latest quite strong price decrease, but it is not bearish what is happening here, in my opinion, at least not yet. Yeah, what is currently happening in this retracement, it is a corrective retracement, which would confirm the more bullish view that we can have on this chart, at least at the moment. Now this would change should we go below $31.72, below that wave 2 low, yeah, that because it would invalidate this larger impulsive wave structure. Okay, so for now we can see it that this was a wave 1 up, an impulse, this a correction in the wave 2, and we are now in the wave 3 here in yellow. Within that wave 3 we have completed a wave 1 and we are now in the wave 2. So the question now that probably bugs everybody, how low will this wave 2 go? And we can use just simply the Fibonacci retracement tool to calculate that, and we're close to the next target if we haven't reached it already. So target here is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. We have touched that perfectly. Yeah, we have touched the 37.74 level, the 61.8% Fib level. Now this is the first real chance that the price now has to finish off wave 2 after we broke below the 50% Fib level anyway. Now we could without a problem come down to the 78.6% Fib level next. That is the $35 level. Could however also be complete. Now to get more evidence that this is complete, I would want to see a breakout above that descending wedge. We are clearly in a pattern. Basically, you could call that even a bull flag, but it's a wave 2 correction. And a breakout of that corrective channel, yeah, above that descending trend line, above the descending wedge, basically, with a retest ideally, would, in my opinion, be the first good indication that this downtrend is over and that we continue in a wave 3 to the upside. What I would want to see is a breakout of the wedge with a retest and then an impulse to the upside. And what you can see here is that we have unfortunately broken below this $40 level. First of all, in the middle of that you find here the 50% Fib retracement, but it was also quite an important level. It was the previous swing high here. Now again, breakout above the wedge would probably go along with a breakout above the red area. We need to do that, and that would be a good indication that this downtrend is over. Basically making a first breakout with a higher low would be a good indication. Yeah, and then we could move up in a third wave. That is how it's currently looking like. On the other hand, a breakout or a breakdown below 33.45, below the 88.7% Fib level, for me would confirm that, yeah, we are doing something different here, maybe something that is not bullish. Because again, if you break below the 88.7% Fib level, it just indicates that it's probably not a wave 2, it's probably something else. But until the 78.6% Fib level at $35, or until actually 33.45, yeah, we can remain focused on higher prices here. But we currently have no evidence that wave 2 is finished. Indeed, I think it probably suggests we still see another wave down, or we could just touch twice the 61.8% Fib level and then have basically a double bottom here and then start to move up from here. Can also give you the wave 3 price target, because that needed to shift now. It depends a little bit on how low wave 2 will go eventually. Let's assume we will find support at the 61.8% Fib level eventually. Then the wave 3 target would be here $63, yeah, so that would be interesting. And I think if we see that third wave, then we can be more confident, obviously, that we indeed are here in an uptrend. We still have not broken above that important level of $48.41. I've mentioned that many times now, maybe in the next wave to the upside. Alright, so hopefully you liked the update about Solana. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.